My name's Julie Seymour, and I just love art and painting. And I've chosen this particular piece because I came to Barbados over 50 years ago, and this talks about the guardian of our heritage and the 50 years of independence celebrations. Studio space that I use, which is overlooking the west coast and the garden, which I love. I usually use acrylic paint and I do some large canvases, but I also quite enjoy doing the small 12 by 12. Also, I started doing some pastel work, and these are a couple of pastels here with children's heads. Did a lot of design type work, but I just love to sort of create circular motions and then fit things into whatever subject I was doing.